We're excited to announce the return of the coaching feature to ALiEMU. Since the relaunch of the website in August, we've been hard at work building new features into our site, including badges, expertises, and levels. A highly requested feature available on the old version of ALiEMU has been ported to the new version, and we want to show you how it works. That's the coaching feature. After logging into ALiEMU, click the My Profile tab in the top corner. Let's explore the coaching tab first. In this tab, your learners can assign you as their coach by inputting your email address into this text box. On this example, cnash6@gmail.com has been assigned as a learner for Michelle Lynn by doing this process, and we are currently logged in to Michelle Lynn's account. Next, let's look at the Progress tab, the other new tab we've added. Under this tab, a learner can view their own course completion data, including when the course was completed and the number of hours of credit they earned for finishing the course. For coaches, underneath this area, My Learners will display. In this box, right here, a coach can export all of the data for their learners into a convenient Excel file. This data can be filtered by date, which coaches may find useful for restricting to an academic block or an academic year. If they want to see more granular data for an individual learner, the coach can click View in the right-hand column. This allows them to virtually view the course progress for each individual learner and view the same data that that learner can themselves view. We hope you're as excited for this new feature as we are, and we hope that you will find this new feature useful as your students embark on their learning with ALiEMU.